The engineer, I know you like what you hear. Ice on my neck, got your bitch off of cocoa when she giving me head. Shawty put it on me, and
I'm back with a YouTube video, and as you read by the title, today's video is a video on Nabeautyhair. I collabed with Nabeautyhair. They sent me a wig, and I will be showing y'all the wig, unboxing it, and I also will be showing y'all how it looks. We opening it together. It's still in the pack. Also, I will be installing it and telling y'all my thoughts on it, my review, how I feel about it, the goods and the bads, how the bleaching takes, how the lace take, all that, okay? So, we're finna get right into this, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to tell a friend about my channel, sis. Period. So, this is what it looks like. This is how the box came. I'm showing y'all real raw results, real uncut. In the box, the first thing I see is a card with their site, their Instagram and stuff. It came with a wig clips. You want to make your wig tighter or sew it in. It came with a hair clip. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this hair clip, cute as fuck. Okay. It also came with a wig cap. It comes with two. So now you ain't even gotta go buy one. You can just, it already come with it. Sis. This is the hair. It is Waterwave. It is 18 inches. It is 150 density, and it is also a T. It comes labeled so that y'all can see what y'all ordered or what y'all got. First thing is the hair smells. It don't smell bad. It smells like some processed hair. It don't got a stank smell to it. It smells like it's processed. Comes in a net with some inside for the lace. It is 18 inches supposedly. It does not look 18 inches to me. Well, it might be 18. This is how the lace looks. Definitely not even finna have to bleach this. Like, you ain't even gotta bleach this. You could lay this right on. I ain't even gonna lie. It look like it come already pre-plucked and all that, sis. Like, stop playing. Go get you one. Okay? Stop playing. Go get you one. What? They even snapped. I'm not even gonna lie. They have the straps in the inside so that you can make it bigger or smaller, whichever fits your head. This is how it looks on the outside. I mean, on the inside. And stop playing with them. Like, they came through, sis. What? Waterwave? So, with that being said, y'all will be coming back when I'm installing this hair. I put my little ball cap thing on. Y'all, I am the worst at putting these on. I do not like putting these on, but I tried to get it as close as I could to my head. I don't really know about that side, but I think I want them to be on the last band. I'm not really sure. So I gotta bring that down somewhere. So I basically want my lace to lay. I didn't got makeup right there, but I want it to lay like right there. Using is boho, and I will be using one of these to cut my lace, and I will be using this to lay my lace. It's this, but I'm gonna use this to like This is how it looks with water and mousse. This is how it looks with just fully mousse. I like the fully mousse look. I really like both, to be honest. But yeah, this is how the hair turned out. I am definitely in love with this hair, y'all. I was just about to buy some of this hair. Like, I was just about to buy a Waterwave wig, and I definitely would recommend it. Like, what? Stop playing. Like, what? Serving looks like. I ain't never had a Waterwave wig. Like, I only had about 2 black wigs and 1 red wig, and this is my 4th wig. But I definitely would say this hair is about 18 inches. Now that I got it on. I was about to use my thinning shears to thin it out, but I definitely wasn't. The lace is a T part, so it goes that far. I really did not even pluck my lace. I didn't bleach the wig. I didn't do none of that. I showed y'all what I did in the video, everything that I did. Also, y'all, I used this. I don't know if this is the best mousse to use. Mousse got it right how I wanted it to be, like right in the right state. So it's only $4.99. I'm pretty sure I got this at every beauty supply store, and it is the maximum shine and wave kind. So it gave it a shine and not only a wave. You feel me? Go get you a wig, sis, from Nabeautyhair. Period. Sponsored by me. Also, y'all can use my code, and y'all can get a discount. It would be right here. Period. Don't say I didn't plug. So, sis. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Period. Don't forget to get you a wig. And that's just that on that.
The engineer, I know you like what you hear. Ice on my neck, got your bitch off of cocoa when she giving me head. Shawty put it on me.